السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي مع عربية مرسيدس سي 204 سي 180. هي غيرت السقف بانوراما، وهنحتاج ان احنا نوصل له كهربته ونكوده. Hello everybody, now I'm having this Mercedes Benz W204 C180. Here the roof has been replaced with panorama sliding roof, retrofitted this roof with those two motors, okay, with N70. This one here is the old one. You see connectors here, A, B, C, D, and here this one is empty. And look here, the 4 connectors and an extra connector here. From Starfinder program, this part here, the left one is the control unit with the big connector, okay. This one here is A98. As you see here, M12.5 is the right one, okay. So M12 has those wires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, as you see here, okay. And this wiring is coming through this, so all of those wires are coming from this connector, okay. And here we have N73, okay. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wires, brown, white, red, white, and 2 wires, green, white, blue, white. This connector is here, as you see them. Those are going through the wiring to A98. But to connect the whole wiring to the car, we have 4 wires from this connector X204, power and ground, 2 CAN wires, okay. Here the wiring coming from this connector here, you see this, and this is the connector here with the 4 wires still unconnected. So we have to connect power and ground to the SAM and CAN wires to the CAN distribution. CAN wires will go here, and power and ground will go to N10/1, which will be the front SAM module from connector 13D, from pin number 1 and 4, the power and ground, and the 2 CAN wires will go there to the CAN distribution. From the left side here, it will be here, the 2 CAN wires, and the power and ground will come out from the front SAM. We will also need to check that fuse number 17, which will be 30 amps, is found on the SAM, okay. So now we have to wire this thing here till it go down, and CAN wires here, and the power and ground from the SAM control unit. Then we have to tell the car that it has panoramic sliding roof. We will code the central gateway. So after that, we have to take the front SAM module out to reach this connector. Okay, here I have fuse number 17, which is 30 amps and is already found there. So the connector should be on this area. I took out some connectors, and here is 13D, the brown connector. Okay, 13D, the brown one here. Look at the numbers here. On the left side, pin number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Pin number 1 is empty and pin number 4 is empty. Pin number 1 is power and 4 is ground. Okay, so we have to put 2 pins here. Take out this connector, put 2 pins, then wire them to those 2 wires. Okay, we have to put 2 heavy wires, power and ground. They will come out from this connector. Look at the numbers. Pin number 1 and 4 are empty. Okay, we have to take this connector out, put 2 pins, then wire them inside the vehicle. Okay, here is connector 13D. Look at the numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, and 2 empty pins, 1 and 4. Okay. Okay, now we put those 2 pins with those 2 wires, and we will push them there to go inside the vehicle. Note power on pin 1, ground on pin 4. Okay, we will push them in here to get them inside the vehicle. Okay, here the 2 wires, we push it in here. And got them from here till we reach at this point, and from the other side, from this connector here, we have those wires. So we have to put everything here, power and ground, to those 2 wires. Okay, that's coming out from the roof, and that's coming out from the SAM. Okay, and here we connected the 2 CAN wires. That's coming out from here and is connected from there. So here we have power and ground, and the 2 CAN wires connected to this. Okay, now after putting the SAM and connecting those wires, here I have the sunroof. Moves. but it didn't go all the way in or out. Okay, so now we have to tell the car that it has sunroof, central gateway by coding. Okay, then we need to initialize the sunroof. Okay, now I will continue on the coding of central gateway. Here we have to go to central gateway, look for CGW. Here it is. Go to variant coding. Here we can see the vehicle options. We have to go for roof version. Yes, this one here. Earlier it is normal roof. I will choose sliding tilting sunroof, then okay, and right coding, yes. It will ask to turn the ignition off. Now the ignition is off. On. We'll go to verify that once again. Look for sliding. Yes, okay. We'll have a look also on body. Door module, front left, front right, rear left, rear right. And item roof. Nicht verbaut means not available. I will make it available. Here it is. Right coding. Yes. Ignition off. Ignition on. Okay, now we have to go for panoramic sliding roof. This one. Do we have a communication with it? We have some errors. Is not programmed. Now I will clear fault memory, switch off ignition. I know that we have to teach it in here we have those fault codes. For this, I know that we have to teach in sliding roof. I know there is a missing part here. I'm not sure if it will accept the teach in or not, but I will try. Special functions. Teach in. Battery voltage. Power. It's okay. I don't know if it will accept the teach in or not because the missing part here, but I will try. If it fails, I'll tell them to install everything, then I will do it once again. Okay, we have to make everything here free. Okay, now it began to move, as you see. Look for those. Okay, teach-in of anti-pinch protection was completed successfully. Now we should have no fault codes. Yes, all of them now are stored. So now I will clear fault memory. Now after this, I think we will be able to completely open the roof without being intermittently move. Okay, here it is, continue moving without touching it. Now I'm opening with only one touch. Okay, now everything is connected well and programmed. Thanks for watching.